Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again is Theoremen Emmanuel Oremi Jusmal, known as the Gracia or the Sea of the Sea, and this is Morning Exposition 170, and your original conductor Theoremen Emmanuel Oremi Jusmal, known as the Gracia or the Sea of the Sea. So, before I go into the program that brought me this morning, I saw the people in the West. Fulanis were killing them, and they came to block road. I equally saw the people from Igodo. Fulanis were killing them. They came to block road. I think we are not ready yet. How can the Fulanis come from your bush to unalive your own people? And your verse, your annoyance is on the road. Do you think that anybody cares? If you like block road from January to December, nobody send you. In fact, as a result, blocking road is as a result of your own stupidity, as your own idiocy. What's the business between you and the road? Is the road the one that is killing you? Is the road the one that is unaliving your children? Is the road the one that is unaliving your brothers, your sisters, your husbands, your fathers, your mothers? Is the road the one unaliving them? What's your business? And I watched them, they were too angry on the road. On the road. And they know where these people are coming from to kill them. They block road. They were too angry. One of them from our Igodo side said that Ogiso must come out and address the people. They blocked the entrance to the Ogiso house. Whether you people like it or not, the kingship in your community, in every community, have been bought over. So if you like block road or if you like buy the Ogiso, nothing will change. The Fulanis will still come and buy you. The only thing that will make the Fulanis to stop, to buy you, to unalive you, the only thing that will make them to fear you is you get angry the same way you block the road. Get angry and comb your bushes. Get angry, go deep inside your bushes, let the young youth share themselves. And it's not social media stuff. Like what happened within Abo side. They unalive the Fulanis, they were videoing them. Now the Nigerian government, you know that the Nigerian government is the one sending them. So you unalive those that Nigerian government sent, you videoed them. I think we are not ready yet. I followed to share because the video was going viral. But this time, Agagoegu, be careful. It's not the time that you do an video. It's not video stuff. Because your own is different. They will come and look for you people. If it is the Biafra Liberation Army that did it and video it, that one is different. But when you individuals do it, they see you in the video. You are not even covering face yet. They will come after you. They will come after you. Because those terrorists were sent by Nigerian government. You can't tell me otherwise. You cannot tell me otherwise. What they will do is that they will still send terrorists to buy those areas. You will see the army. They will be patrolling your areas. And the same terrorists will come to those areas and buy to inflict fear into you people. Don't shake. It is the agenda. It is their modus operandi. Conquer, weaken them. If they have weakened the Igbo people, that's the truth. Igbo land is systematically conquered. Do you know in those days, if they kill one Igbo man, ordinarily when the agitation have not even started, every youth will go into the bushes, check them, comb them, and fish them out. But now, if they kill Igbo man, They will be doing iwe na-ewe ayo, iwe na-ewe ayo. You wear black and black in iwe to who? To the same government that sent them to kill you. So how will you be saved? Iwe. Are you iwe more than the people of Benue? Do you know how many iwe the people of Benue did? Did you even know how many iwe even Governor Tom himself did? Did he stop anything? Does he stop the Fulanis from conquering their villages? It doesn't even stop them. They conquered their villages. They took them over. So your iwe can never stop anything. If you like, get iwe. If you like, even iwe gina spark or it doesn't stop anything. The only thing that will stop these very people is go into your bushes. Villages should unmask their youth in the act of secrecy. In act of secrecy. In act of not videoing anything. In act of not telling their loved ones anything. Are you among these things? No. That is the reason why our villages in those days have cults. Don't you know? Do you think, what do you think that those things are for? Once you buy in the village, age group, natural age group, you go and retake an oath of secrecy. This is telephone age. They said this is the internet age. That oath of secrecy no longer exists. They thought that it's enjoyment. Oh, and my Obo, but they don't know the reason that Obo age group was built. It was to secure the villages. When they attack you, Ndobo, the youths, Amoekwe, different youths in their different camps, in their oath of secrecy, this is what we will do to protect our land. And they take the oath, they go after it, they protect their land. Can you do the same thing? Can you protect your own land? You cannot protect your own land just because you felt that you have internet. That is the reason why I know a full grown-up Igbo man, on the street, iwe. The people in Enugu State, they went on iwe. Did you know what the army did after they killed them? The same thing that warranted what is happening now in Olo. In Olo, we refuse. The Fulanis came and killed people in village. When the people protested and go to police station, the police came back and arrest the community, the youth from the community that they killed. And they said no. And Mazen Nnamdi Kanu said, it's time for action. So protest can never solve anything. The only thing that can stop something is those youths in the village should enter into oath of secrecy. Go after those who are coming after you. Anybody you caught videoing it is a saboteur. That's the only way that you can be able to curb the act, this demonic act, destroying most of you. Minus that, you cannot curb it. Minus that, it can never stop. Because the people killing you will never stop because you are doing iwe. Go and look at the people in Enugu State. After protesting, when the police came and arrested their youth are still in prison today. Even they did another iwe, release our youth too. Release our youth on another iwe. To tell you that the former iwe doesn't change anything. It can only aggravate. I mean, it can only, aggravate the problem. It can only add on top of the problem. Our people need to wake up. Our people need to stand up. Our people need to know the truth. And the truth is that there is no amount of protest that you can do in the land of Biafra that will stop this killing, that they are killing you. There is no amount of protest which you can do to stop this killing. No amount. The only thing that can be able to stop this very killing is you standing up to defend your own people. Don't show them iwe. Once you do iwe, they have already known that you are weak. In fact, your own iwe, those nagari makes them, when they are drawing the map, they said this area have been conquered. What are they doing? Oh, they are doing protest. They have conquered them. They will come in mass. Just go and think over it. They will come in mass. They are going to kill in mass. And you will be doing iwe. Some of them, we are even laughing. People that they are killing. You that survive, you are alive. You are laughing. I looked at that nonsense. I said, these people are not ready yet. When they unalive people in your community, to avenge is not to block road. You show them what is called action in oaths of secrecy. Because anyone dispatched in your village, they have their numbers. If they look for them, they do not see them. They know that they have killed them. You will see army coming to your village to arrest people, that they are looking for people, as if they planted people in your community. So the only thing that will make that village safe is oath of secrecy. Those youths doing it should not relate to anybody, should not tell anybody, this is what we are doing. You take that oath of secrecy, it becomes among you people. And that oath of secrecy can only work with your own bloods, mark of your bloods in a dry gene. It is called a blood covenant. If you go and tell your mom, if you go and tell your father, if you go and tell your sister, you run mad. That oath of secrecy is not embedded in this Ajambele oath, ndị DOS na-eteki, ebe ị ga-agbara ṅụọ, emeghị nke ṅụọ. No, it will be embedded in your own blood. It is called blood covenants. It is a time that we use this very covenant to cleanse our land. Am I communicating, please? If you are hearing me very clearly, share this very program. Hit the like button. It is very, very important to save our communities, to save our mothers, to save our fathers. If you know the acts of conquest very well, you will understand that anytime a community stands to protest, stands to garia, iwe, that community have been conquered. Because they have no plan B. They have no option. If you understand the Fulani very well, when they started killing one in Benue, when the Benue people, iwe, they know that, oh, this community is captured. They killed over more than 1,000 people in a single community, almost clearing the community. You remember those days? It was back then. They unalived over 1,000 people. Go to that same community today. People have deserted the community. The only people living in that community now is Fulani people. They have renamed it with few indigenous. With few indigenous people. So your iwe can never stop anything. The only thing that can stop something is go and do something within your own locality. I am a man Oremijus, one of it very kind. One of it very kind. Preaching the undiluted truth. I am a man Oremijus, one of it very kind. Now, let me tell you people, when Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was preaching that they are coming, did you know the last survey that the IPOB did in the land of Yoruba? Did you know the land of the last survey? Huh? These people have over, is it over 500 settlements in the bushes? One state alone. They, over 300 then, I mean to say. One state alone. 300 or 500. Please, correct me. If you know when Mazen Namdekano announced it on Radio Biafra, in one state alone, they were circling the Yoruba people. So they are definitely everywhere. When they hit you in the town, you cannot run to the bush because the bush is not secured. They have their equipment, their armor in the bush. And if you look, these things are organized. So you cannot do iwe, iwe, iwe. Let me tell you the truth. If you go to the areas that they kill people in the community, if you stay very quiet there, you will see the military jet, or you will see jet coming to supply them, like they did one certain time in Enugu. People were videoing the jet that was coming in. So are you getting the point? I am a man orange juice. There is no amount of iwe that will stop anything. It wouldn't stop any single thing. Instead, it will increase those killing you. Jet fighters, we are coming to supply things. If these are not organized, there is no way that the jet fighter will enter Nigeria without their watchtower noticing that there is the jet fighter. Where did they enter from? It simply means that this is very organized killing. That is the reason why you see their their private jets supplying them. And up to today, Nigeria still tell you that they don't know anything about it. So will your Iwe stop the Nigerian government from supplying these very people the weapon to kill you? The only thing that stopped these people. So I don't know if I'm communicating. I don't know if I'm communicating. Your Iwe can never stop the federal Nigerian government, the zoo government, the drug president of Nigeria government from supplying these very people. Their main agenda is to conquer you. They said it during the election time. They said it during the election time. Time have come for Nigeria to be Islamized. They said it openly. So you know those who are involved, even though they are denying, they prescribed them. Upon all these killings, have you seen Tinubu announce state of emergency in the north, where these people come from, where they kill in Niger State? Have you seen him? But ordinary political crisis that takes nobody's life, he announced immediately state of emergency just to intimidate the Biafra people. Can he even intimidate the Fulani people? The answer is no. None of them can. When you hear them doing gara gara gara, it is because of you. None of them can even intimidate an ant in the Yoruba states. None of them. I still remain your one and only man, Oremi Jews. Onye jogu ya kwere udo na nke ikpeazụ a. Share the program. Make it go viral. And I still alert you. If all the communities that I see now doing Iwe from Lower Benue down to any Biafran state, doing Iwe, you are Iwe, you are not more than Iwe like the people of Niger State when this thing started. The people of Zamfara, imere Iwe carry ha. But did they take over those areas? They protested. The only thing that will save us now is communities going into act of secrecy. Those age group in your villages, those youths in your villages, those ndobo in your villages, they will go into act of secrecy. Time have come for every village to protect each other. When act of this secrecy is being done, do not relate it to your mother. Do not relate it to your father. Do not relate it to your brother. Do not relate it to your sister. It is definitely, basically you. When they will call you to act in this oath of secrecy to sanitize the village, it will not be announced. What will be announced? A na-eme meeting. Ndị ọgbọ, come to your meeting. Inside that meeting, you announce, ụbọchị dị ona, Okeke, Okafọ, anyị ama mgbakọ ebe dị ona, anyị agbakọ n'ime ọhịa ka anyị jee chụba na ihe na-achụ anyị. And for the secrecy to be complete, you must announce, ụbọchị eke, we don't want to see anybody in the bush. Tata ka eke chọrọ iwere. Mbọsị orie, depending on the market days, we don't want to see anybody in the bushes. Tata ka orie chọrọ iwere. Ụbọchị afọ, we don't want to see anybody in the bushes. Tata ka afọ chọrọ iwere. Mbọsị nkwọ, we don't want to see anybody in our bushes. Mbọsị a ka nkwọ chọrọ iwere. They wouldn't know the reason why you announce it. Just tell the community that you people want to rekindle the deity so that they will save and protect. That it is because of the secretion of the land. That is the reason why the deity of your land is no longer protecting you. Tell them like that. Then ụbọchị afọ, ụbọchị nkwọ, ụbọchị eke, ụbọchị orie. Let those youths who take oath of secrecy gbakọba ebe a chọrọ ka ha bịa. Because nobody, if you dare cut somebody inside the bush with you, enter that person, the same blood covenant that you go. If it is a man, if it is a woman, that same blood covenant, if you relate to anybody, you run mad. After all those cultism that you see, they entered blood covenant. That is the reason why no matter what, they will not like to relate to you. Those who related to me those days, we are simply on act of Igbo. I assured them nothing will happen. Nothing. You are not even talking to me. You are talking to a deity. If you tell human being, I'm not human being, so tell the spirit. Because in here, kpọrọ ụkọ gị ka ọ ya aza. Ịkpọ ụkọ gị ehi, ya aghọrọ gị ehi. Ịkpọ ya nkịta, ya aghọrọ gị nkịta. Ịkpọ ya anụmanụ, ya aghọrọ gị anụmanụ. Ihe ọbụla ịkpọrọ ka ọ ya aza. Ihe ọbụla ịkpọrọ nkịta gị ka ọ ya eme gịnị, ọ ya aza. Ọkụkọ nwa ogbenye bụ ehi ya. You may not understand, but it takes only those prepared mentally to understand this very adage used in these very circumstances. I am a man Oremijus, one of it very kind. I mean one of it very kind, preaching the Holy Gospel as it may. Just because Elohim Chukwu Kabiama, the creator of heaven and earth, bears me witness to this very day. To this very day. Let us continue preaching. We will be saved when we are meant to. We will be saved when we are meant to. If you truly mean that you will be saved, you will be saved. But can you be saved? Do you want to be saved? All these secrets that I announce here, Go anywhere, go move from January to December. They will kill you the more in the community. From you are now running to another village. From that village, you run to another village. Like that, your ancestral land is gone. You can no longer return there. When are you going to return? The people of Benue have not returned. There is too many IDP camp in Benue. When is their circumstances going to stop? Even I had the governor of Enugu State saying that he will relocate some people from their ancestral land because people are killing them. But IPOB, they will come out, rise up, give, press statement, IPOB this, IPOB that. But when the people are killing your own people, you cannot stand up for the same people that they are killing. You want to announce, you want to relocate them to another place. That is the evil that you see. I am Imane Oremijus, one of it very kind. Very, very important that you know that I am one of it very kind, preaching the undiluted truths. That the truth that I preach on this very platform, you don't know that it exists, doesn't mean that it does not exist. It doesn't mean that it does not exist. Almighty Chukwu Kabiama, the creator of heaven and earth, will you continue to bear me witness, as in this day, because I never relent, I never surrender to the conquest of the Fulani Janjaweed. It's teaching time saves 9. Don't go and block road tomorrow, because you will never achieve anything from blocking road. Once they buy somebody from your community, again, communities should fortify themselves. Time to bring back the deities of communities. You see all these people saying, oh, I'm a Christian. No problem. But when it comes, it will never save you. It will never save you. The only thing that can save you is to bring back your ancestral, those things that your ancestors used to protect their land. During the conquest time, who told you that they conquered the Igbos? They never near the Igbo territory. Today, the Igbos are doing, we no go agree, we no go agree. Who told you that you no go agree on the road? We will stop them from killing you. We no go agree, we no go agree. Fulani herdsmen, you see the same people that they are killing, laughing. Fulani herdsmen, we no go agree. Who tells you that nonsense will stop them? That nonsense will, when they play the video to their own people, they will tell them, even new intakes you like to be in your community because they know that you have been conquered, that the only thing that you mastered is you no go agree. As a matter of fact, you no go agree you do in your community will attract these people to kill you the more. I'm telling you the fact. You see all those protests that your people are doing, it will attract them to kill you the more. You start doing something. Your youth should start doing something. And now it have called for Emuba. It have called for Emuba. Let our youth begin to impregnate our women, because this is war of conquest. I'm okay now because your Ngada is one of the two to conquer this very thing. They have a 50 years agenda. 50 years agenda to conquer your own land. But you are now trying to, due to economic hardship, they know the reason why they inflict economic hardship on you, so that you will be told, oh, these people are burning like this thing to overtake your land. They are giving birth like mad to overtake your land. What I spoon here is the secret of the conquest. There are a lot of our daughters working in different companies, no husband. Now is the time to engage them. Nag them, tovahime. Kevin afuime everywhere. Afuime yavro chapacha. Allow your sisters who have not gotten married to born at home. No longer shame. Communities should inculcate this. No longer shame. We need population to overrun this thing. Otherwise, we are gone. Ịhụ ihe a na-eme, oh, ịmụrụ ọtụtụ nwa, ịmụrụ ọtụtụ nwa. We are gone. You need to encourage them. You need to encourage ịmụ nwa n'ụlọ. From a renowned Igbo, let our young girls meet young boys to impregnate them. Young Igbo boys, not a Fulani breed, to impregnate them. Let every household begin to nurture a child. The Germans did it after the World War. Other countries did it. Our own must never be exceptional. We are facing the imminent peril of our lives. And if we do not act now, it will be too late for us. So how did you plan to act? I am Emmanuel Oremijos, preaching this undiluted truth to you. How do you plan to act? You must act now that there is time. Otherwise, the time is gone and you will never act again. Long live our own people. From me, from here. Let our own people know that they are facing the imminent peril of their lives, and let them secure themselves. It is good morning, please.